Another lawsuit against generative AI company Perplexity for copyright infringement. The New York Times has had enough, and they have filed a lawsuit in a New York federal court. In October 2024, the Times sent a notice to stop accessing and using their content, and then followed up with another notice this past July. Perplexity, though, well, they continue to ignore the warnings, and a spokesperson for the company, Jesse Dwyer, said publishers have been suing new tech companies for 100 years, starting with radio, TV, the internet, and social media, but that has never worked out for them. I do think this is a little bit different since AI pretty much takes the content directly from the publisher and publishes it for people to read, though. The Times is also including infringements for use of its videos, podcasts, and images as well. The Times said in the lawsuit they are seeking damages, which at this point is unknown, and also to injunctive relief, which includes removing all of the Times content from Perplexity's products. I do believe this would be a major problem for Perplexity if they were to lose this case, because the whole AI system pulls information from all across the web, and this would leave a big hole in the end result of Perplexity's information. The Times is not the only publisher suing Perplexity, though. Other lawsuits have been filed by Dow Jones and the New York Post. If one company were to win in court, that would be a major problem for AI companies like Perplexity. First, it would set a precedent, and other publishers would likely sue, and it could also lead to less accurate information, as there would be less sources to pull data from. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment. Feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.